Kwa mbele ni jatenda migao mar tuke Ababu na Mwamba Osingo ne jokanyo duto sekta mar tuke ne ikruok biro bedo makare motelone tuke AFCON ma higa mar 2027.
Ababu wacho ma kane romo kod jokanyo manitie chenro mar timo ikruok ne tuke mag Olympics, piem mar Safari Rally kod tuke mag golf ma idendo ni Magical Kenya.
And we have made it clear to those in that football space that they have to uphold the highest standards of governance, transparency and accountability. And that includes holding regular elections, holding elections in accordance with the Constitution of the Federation, the law, the Sports Act, and international statutes, in this case FIFA statutes. And so we expect the Football Kenya Federation to go to the polls this year. We advise them to make sure that as you go to the polls, make sure that the polls are in sync with the law.